This is cute. Welcome back to my channel. I had a quick wig that I want to put on for you guys. Oh my gosh, I just took my wig off. Hold on, let me blend my forehead. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is my edges. I'm gonna use the Ebin edge control. Okay, so after I do the edges, I'm gonna make it like dry down for like a good 4 or 5 minutes so it's not gonna curl up. So I'm going to tie my edges down using my head wrap. Tie it down for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now that my hair is tied down, I'm just gonna take it off and it should be pretty dry. So I'm gonna just fix my wig cap. I want my wig cap to be about here. This wig is from Julia Hair. This is their wavy type wig. I will have all the specs down below. I do believe this is like a 26-inch wig, but it's a headband. This is how the inside of the wig looks. This is the inside. There's 3 combs at the top, 1 at the back. It has Velcro. I feel like this is really good for people that work out, so you're not going to be sweating your lace. This you can just throw on and put a cap on top of it. Anything, you can just tie it down, so even if your edges is sweating, you don't have to worry about any of that. So, and then I'm going to fix this right on top, just leaving some of my edges out in the front. For the back of your head, you want to make sure that you tighten this as tight as possible because this will slide off your head. So I'm going to just pin this up and show you guys the back. So I'm gonna pin this up, and all you do is you take the elastic band, you put it behind your ear, and you pull it as tight as possible to the back. Okay? And what I like to do, I like to put it inside of the wig, like so. Okay? And then it should be nice and snug on the front. It shouldn't be hurting you or anything. It should be really relaxed. And this is how it's looking. I'm gonna get some mousse just to tame down the top, but this is how the wig is looking. And if you don't like the frizzy look, you can just go ahead and use some of your mousse. So I'm gonna take 3 pumps of this Lotta Body mousse. I will have it linked down below. And just tame the top of your head. This is how the back of the wig looks, so nobody will be able to clock you and like oh my gosh, the back of your wig, blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm gonna try on some of the headbands that came in the packaging so you guys can see. This is Julia Hair packaging right here. It came with a bunch of different headbands, so you have a lot of options. And they did also put the diamond headband, 5 different options of headbands. So I'm gonna try on each so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, I put it around my neck because this makes it better to pull it up. Okay. Once it's up here, I just like open it up so to make sure that it's covering the black band, and then boom. This is how this one is looking. I really recommend this for like, especially like if you're on the go, if you just want to do a quick, little, you know, 1-2 quick wig, you don't know how to put on your lace properly. If it's hot outside, trust me, your lace will lift up if you're doing the spray method. So if you want to do the glueless method where you tighten your band, then okay. But if you don't want to hassle or anything with your wig, I recommend that you get a headband wig 100%. This one is easier to manage because it's not too curly. It's more of like a wave texture. So if you're not into like the maintaining curly hair, I know that you're gonna love this hair because it's just a body wave type hair. So this is how it's looking. I did wash this wig, by the way, and this is it with the first headband. I love it. I love it. And this headband is kind of tight, so it's making it be a little bit snug to your head, so you know your thing is not gonna fall off. Okay, I'm gonna try on the other colors. Make sure when you're taking the headband off, you're holding down the band, because if you're just pulling it off like that, the wig will slide off your head. Okay, so this is the other one. As you can see the cap a little bit in the front, but nobody's gonna be checking for you just because you have your hairline out. So this is gonna look like your natural hair anyways. So yeah, this is the second headband that came in the packaging. I love it. And it came with 3 more headbands. And if you don't want too much of the headband, you could also like bend it in half and pull the wig up a little bit more. Okay, so this is the other headband that came in the wig. This is nice, okay? And you can also, when you're working out, you can either put your wig into 2 braids and be perfectly fine still in the back. Keep in mind, bend this in here and be perfectly fine. All right, so you could do 2 braids, 2 twists, whatever the case. You can also put it in a ponytail, low ponytail like so. Who gonna check you? Nobody. Exactly. So do as you please, and especially if you're a beginner, baby girl, you better get you a headband wig and practice doing these wigs real nice, okay? Looking real nice with your wig until you feel a little bit motivated, then you could do a closure, okay? So they have 2 other headbands. Oops. They give you 5 options, okay? They give you 5 options, different styles to match your different outfits. And if you want, you could use your own scarf. You can get you a Louis Vuitton scarf if you want to do it up real nice. You can get you a Dior scarf, Dior headband. Listen, the options are endless. So check out Julia Hair. I will have the links down below so you guys can check them out. And thank you guys so much for supporting me. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends. Share it with your homegirl that want to wear a wig but she's scared, okay? Share it with your friends that be working out so their wig won't be funky, because they can take this off their head when they get home. They can look cute for the gym and not have to worry about their lace lifting up, all right? This is the 3rd headband. And these headbands are snug, so it's helping to give your wig even more security. Oh wow, this is cute. This is the white one. This is the white one. Sorry for the lighting. I'm using natural lighting and it's going in and out, so yeah. I know you guys see the ring light in the back. I have no excuse, okay? But I want to try on the diamond headband wig. Let's see how that looks. The diamond headband. I bend this in half so the band is very thin. And then I'm just going to put this right on top the band. This is cute. What the fuck? Hold on. Yeah. This is nice. Look. But I can still see my band. That's not a look. But yeah, if I took my cornrows out and I just slick my hair back, I could literally take this band and shove it inside the wig, and this will be freaking gorgeous. Wow. Okay. My edges are sweated out, okay? It's hot as shit in my room, so my edges are sweated out. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is the hair. If you've been looking for a headband wig, look no further. The links are in the description box for your convenience. And all the other shit I'll be using, the links are down below, so make sure you shop the links. I mean, if you want. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.